Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Luxurious Furniture. How are you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I gonna share you a perfect and a luxurious furniture as usual. A perfect bed for your dream bedrooms. Unique and royal designs. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon too for upcoming videos notifications. Watch the video till the end. I hope you guys like the video. Amazing and a unique bed designs for your room and your dream bedrooms. Perfect and a luxurious royal bedding designs. To give a royal touch to your bedrooms. Please comment me down which one you like the most, and also comment me down which collection and which design you want to see in my next video. Watch the video till the end. If you guys like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Luxurious Furniture.